Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this Volvo S90. The cabin air filter should be changed about once a year or roughly every 12 to 15,000 miles. If you drive in dusty areas around lots of pollen or in the city, it can get dirty very fast. Once I remove the old filter, you can clearly see it's pretty dirty. So it is a good idea to vacuum the area before installing the new filter. I chose a MANN filter because it seems to offer one of the best price to quality ratios. Installing a new filter is a little tricky because space is tight and you really need both hands to guide it in properly without bending it too much. Just take your time and make sure it sits evenly in the housing. That is it for this one. I will leave links in the description below of all the tools I have used in this video. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.
In the garage where it began, the machine is a mirror. Oh!